As a global leader in the concrete pump truck industry, we customized a robotic welding production line for them. 13 FANUC arc mate robots working in perfect sync. 2 smart RGB cards automatically handling 20+ workpiece types. Real-time OEE monitoring, predictive alerts, and seamless production flows. 95% automation rate in drum assembly welding, setting new industry standards. Laser sensing and adaptive arc tracking. Metalleco specializes in custom automation solutions for heavy equipment manufacturing. Our systems combine robotic precision with smart factory connectivity,